Wow, what beautiful lollipops! I would have eaten it all at once. Oh no, they fell. Yeah, now we'll make new ones. Hello, friends. Do you like watermelon? I just love it. It's so sweet and delicious. I'm already drooling. Let's make lollipops out of it. First, we cut it up and put it in a bowl. That's it. Well done. Now, let's pour sugar to make our watermelon even sweeter. And pour some water. And now, take a spoon and let's break and destroy it, so that it turns into juice, like mine. Then, pour some water into a saucepan. And add more sugar. Everyone loves sugar. And also our watermelon juice. We need to boil it until it starts bubbling. Cooking and cooking. Hooray! And here are the bubbles, so it's done. Who knows what it is? It's a sieve. It has holes. Do you want to pour juice through the holes and find out what's left? This is extra watermelon. And we'll put the juice aside. So, what else do I have? These are flowers, only they have whittled and they can be cooked. Want a trick? I'll show you now. Be careful. First, we're filling it with water, and then pour some water into a saucepan. Add sugar, sweet syrup, and then add some milk. Now it's time to stir it. Wow, beautiful! And now some bubbles have appeared, so that's it. Let's remove the flowers and see the trick. Look, the water has turned blue. That is a miracle. Pour out a little milk and mix it. Now the water is blue. Cool, right? It's magic. Do you remember our watermelon juice? Let's pour the remaining milk into it. I made juice not only from watermelon, but from all fruits. And I got such beautiful colors. We're going to make lollipops out of them now. I have this shape with holes. Now I'll pour all the juices here at once and put them in the freezer so that they freeze and turn into lollipops. There we go, almost done. Guys, what is your favorite color? Mine is definitely blue. And here are such beautiful lollipops. So choose anyone. Wow, how delicious it is. I'll try red. It's a watermelon lollipop. It's time to shop. Well. I don't need any of this, but here they are. My favorite M&Ms. We'll urgently take it. Oh no, the pack does not fit in the bag. What to do? I have an idea. Need a little slide. That's it. And now, I'll open the packaging. And the sweets will fall right into the truck. Perfect! And here we are, in the kitchen. I'll put some sweets on a plate and send them to cool in the refrigerator. And now, I will prepare all the ingredients for the cake. Butter, sugar, flour, and milk. It is necessary to set the flour through a sieve. That's it. Great! And now, I'll break an egg into a bowl with flour. It is necessary to mix it thoroughly so there are no lumps. Then, I'll add some oil, powdered sugar to the same place, just like that, and a little milk. Mix everything again. The dough is ready. It is necessary to pour it into the mold. Carefully so as not to spill anything. The dough is inside, which means it's time to send the mold to the oven. Look how it rises! The cake will be very lush. Well, in the meantime, I'll do the mastic. These are the balls I have. I'll take a board and roll out one of the balls in a thin pancake. I'll do the same with the second one. After that, I cut it into stripes and make such cute bows. Perfect. And at this time, the cake is finally baked. It's time to get it out. I put it on the board and cut off the top. Then, I divide the cake into 3 parts. I put them away and remove everything extra. And here's the cake stand. A little cream for the base, and I'll set the first cake. Now cream. And the second one. Again. Cream. And the last cake on the top. Now you need to cover the sides of the cake with a small layer of cream. Just like this. And on top too. Using my spatula. And making it perfect. And here's a surprise! I have prepared a rainbow wrapper for a cake made of mastic in advance. I'll add these cute bows to it. And it's almost ready. It's time for M&Ms. With this help, I'll decorate the top of the cake. Let there be an artistic mess. And this lollipop will complete the picture. And it's better to have 5 at once. Here's my cake, and it's ready. In my opinion, it turned out just wonderful. Hello, friends! Do you like Chupa Chups? Let's cook them. Which jam should I use? Green, orange, or yellow? I'll take everything.
Strawberry jam. Let's do it.
I'll also make a strawberry one. It'll be red like a fresh strawberry. To begin with, I'll cut it with my knife. Oh, what a fragrance! My mouth is watering. I would have eaten it by now. Ready. Now I'll put it in a blender. Add sugar and water, just like that. Super! I'm turning it on. Wait, that's not all. To make jam, you need to heat strawberry jam on the stove. I'll also splash some more lemon juice and sprinkle some sugar. Look, the jam begins to boil and thicken. So, you can remove the pan from the stove. Now, I'll pass it through a sieve to remove the pulp. Great! Blue tea will come next. I'll pour boiling water over it first so that it brews. And cover it with a lid. Let it sit there. Hooray! To make a Chupa Chups, I'll pour sugar into a frying pan And pour some sweet syrup. Also some water and milk. It turned out to be a sweet base for future Chupa Chups. Finally, I can pour it into bowls. And add my awesome jams. The first Chupa Chups will be strawberry. The second from blue tea. The third from kiwi. The fourth from passion fruit. And the fifth is a marmalade one. Ta-da! It remains to fill the gem molds. Put the sticks into the holes, just like that, and put them in the freezer. Ready! I got real Chupa Chups. They look cool.
Yummy.
I'll try orange. Wow, how delicious! And now blue. Let's see how different it is. Wow, that's so cool! Thank you, friends! Subscribe to the channel and join me. Let's cook delicious treats together. It's a lot of fun and interesting. Please like and write in the comments what kind of Chupa Chups you want, and I'll read it. There are many more cool recipes on my channel. Ice cream, cake, and french fries.